Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to Odoo.com and log in your account. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then click on My Databases from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the settings icon of your database, then click on Domain Names from the drop-down. This pop-up will appear where you will click on Use My Own Domain, then this second pop-up will appear. Let's leave that pop-up first and go to squarespace.com and sign in your account. Next, click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then click Domains from the drop-down, then click on the domain that you want to connect to Odoo. Next, copy your domain name, which is usually found here, then go back to Odoo. In this field, type www. Then paste the domain name you just copied. Next, let's go back to Squarespace again, and on the left panel, click on DNS, click DNS settings, then click Add Record right here. Under the Custom Records section, type in www in the host field and put in CNAME under the type field. Next, go back to Odoo again and copy this link that Odoo has provided. Go back to Squarespace and paste your copied link in this alias data field, then click Save right here. Lastly, go back to Odoo again and click on Verify at the end of this field. After Odoo is done verifying, click on I confirm. It's done down here. And that is how you can connect your Squarespace domain to Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.